Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to write a simple program in Python. In Visual Studio Code, I already created a folder called Python. Underneath, I call it program1. Click on the icon, say new file, and give it a file name. In this case, I call it hello world.py, which is the Python extension. We're gonna write a very simple one-line code, which is to print hello world, just using the print command. To run the code, first I want to see the output in terminal, so click on View, Terminal, right click on our Python file, and select Run Python file in terminal. And it runs, and the output message say Hello World. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Do you know how to program Python or learning it? If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed by yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!